Yeah, I'm telling you, I won't allow, I'm just saying, I won't allow random people to talk to my children. Like, I won't allow my children to talk to random people. If they are still minors, I won't allow them to talk to anyone. And I'm telling you, it's all about conditioning and programming. That's what I'm saying. I don't believe I'm wrong in any way, you know? Yeah? I'm just telling you, though, the young people, they all they know is how to bully and troll people. They try to troll me, they try to bully me, but I'd be like, look, if you don't want your daughter or your son to touch any random people, yeah, I'm telling you, just keep them under your control, right? They are still minors, they are not adults, okay? They're not adults. You should be supervising them. You're not supposed to send them out there to random clubs by themselves. Even I had my bro, my mom was like, 我媽好緊張啊，知唔知啊？佢叫我細佬，你一定要喺女廁門口嗰度守住，直至到佢出嚟為止啊。I'm just telling you, this is how it is. Don't let random people talk to you. It's not just about, like, don't let random people talk to your daughter. It's like, I'm just telling you. Ellenby, like, she was calling me her buddy. I was like, 我俾咗條橡筋，你已經仁至義盡㗎啦，係咪先？我俾咗條橡筋，你已經仁至義盡㗎啦。老實講。Right? I'm just saying. I that's why I don't buy their crap. I don't buy any of your BS. When I raise my children, ideally, I'm gonna homeschool them. I'm gonna coach them myself. I'm gonna be their personal trainer. I'm gonna be their teacher. I'm gonna be their tutor. I'm gonna be their everything. They will not go to nursery. They will not go to kindergarten. They will not go to primary school, and they will not go to secondary school. Maybe they might go to secondary school, it depends, but I'm telling you, they will not. I will take them, they will go wild camping. We can take textbooks, we can read textbooks. I'm gonna force them to research, to study when they are young. I'll teach them before they were even born. Toy gal, okay? Yeah? I'll spend 24/7 with them. I will program them myself. It's your own fault as a parent. It's your own fault as a parent that your child gets bullied. You have the power to prevent it from happening. You can't blame it on anyone else. It's you, right? Yeah? The parents cannot go and say, oh, yeah, you know what? My mom used to complain. Like, she went to Guangdong to complain about my music teacher. I'd be like, 如果我唔去嗰間學校咪冇嘢啦，係咪先？你唔識自己教我嘅咩？叫我睇書啫嘛，啲細細個嘅時候叫我睇啲書，跟住叫我，跟住叫我，叫我答我話 workbook 有幾難啫？你買本 textbook 買本 workbook，你係唔係返學都要用㗎啦？係咪先？你返學都要買㗎啦，係咪先？textbook workbook 加埋 model answer 係咪？有陣時你可以直情係話咧，你做完功課之後咧，我而家收埋本 model answer 係咪？你做完功課之後咧，就可以攞嚟睇你自己改你自己啲卷係咪？咁咪得咯，係咪先？就咁簡單啫嘛，使乜要返學識埋晒啲無聊人，即係老實講，我返學都已經唔乜嘢啦，係咪先？最後虛埋晒啲，虛埋晒啲唔知咩咩 Raptors，我唔會俾佢去 join 嗰啲 sports club，除非我都同你一齊 join 係咪？我哋兩個都係 member，我要睇住你係嘛？咁就得啦係嘛？但係如果我唔係 member，其實我都唔係好想俾我女自己一個去 join，知唔知啊？我唔會俾佢自己一個去 join 埋晒啲唔知咩 club 嘅，知唔知啊？我點都要睇住你，我唔睇住你，我叫你細佬睇住你係咪？我一係就叫你阿哥睇住你，我唔會俾佢落單嘅，我唔會俾我個女 minor 個女落單。仲有我係唔會俾我個 minor 個女去即係去嗰啲咩 school trips 嗰啲，我話你黐線啦你，我唔會俾你返學添啊！真係，我話你喺屋企我 homeschool 你係嘛？ 有我話俾你知，啲警察一定好唔鋸，啲警察乜嘢啊嘛，逼你翻學噶嘛。我話點解佢要翻學真係咪 homeschool 可能成績仲好添係咪？我認為係咁樣係咪先？你自己你自己你自己教而不善啫嘛。你個女你個女係俾你教壞咗啦，擺明係咪？係你自己教而不善啫嘛。你唔好累街坊啦，係咪先？即係老實講，我真係唔會俾我女出去做埋晒啲咁嘅嘢，係咪先？無啦啦當個陌生姨姨係 buddy 咁嘅話，我係你姨姨嚟嘅，知唔知啊？我可能大你好多嘅，係咪先？我話你去識個陌生人，我話 Is it because I'm the only female you see there? That's why you want me to be your buddy? I don't even know you。我唔識你係咪先？我識你老鼠係咪？真係㗎，我話俾你知，佢 throw 完人之後咧，真係嘅，佢 throw 完人之後咧，仲要翻屋企係咁同佢阿媽喺度投訴，話我點點點。我話啦，你阿媽唔同你一齊去嗰個 club，你阿媽有問題啦，係咪先？你阿媽應該同你一齊出現，係咪？唔應該係由我俾條橡筋你去紮邊，係咪？應該係你阿媽俾條橡筋你去紮邊，係咪先？呢啲嘢應該你阿媽做噶嘛，係咪先？我幾時變咗你阿媽啫？係咪先？你而家係咪當我係媽先？I don't know。It's like she said you are my buddy 啊。咁你即係點啊？我冇義務做你阿媽喎，知唔知啊？我唔要做你阿媽喎，知唔知啊？點解憑乜嘢要我做你阿媽先？係咪先？你揾你自己個阿媽咯，係咪？點解要我做你 buddy 喎？即係叫我照顧你啫，係咪先？你咁樣講，即係要我照顧你啫，係咪啊？I am your mum，係咪啊？你當我係你阿媽，我話我唔係你阿媽，係咪先？你揾翻你自己個阿媽啦，又唔係我生你出嚟噶，點解？即係憑乜嘢要我 responsible for you 係咪先？你而家咁樣講，即係要我照住你啦，憑乜嘢要我照住你先係咪先？你哋話我講得啱唔啱？我有冇道理先？啊，我有冇道理啊？